Today's topic is a risk that you took. Describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result, but ended up with a positive result. When you took the risk. Why you took the risk. How it went. And explain how you felt about it. Although I usually hesitate to take risks in life, here I would like to talk about a time when I decided to take a travel risk that I thought would turn out bad, but it ended up being a wonderful experience. Or taking risks in life, whether it is about education, business, or career, is important. I also often take risks in my life to test myself and my abilities, so here I would like to talk about a time when I decided to take a travel risk that I thought would turn out bad, but it ended up being a wonderful experience. It happened last summer when I was planning a solo trip to a remote village in the mountains. I've always been a bit cautious when it comes to traveling alone, especially to unfamiliar places, but I was feeling adventurous and wanted to challenge myself. I took the risk because I wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone and experience something completely different from my usual routine. Plus, I had heard from a friend that the scenery in this village was absolutely breathtaking, so I was eager to see it for myself. When I arrived at the village, I was initially nervous because it was so different from what I was used to. The people spoke a different language, the food was unfamiliar, and I felt a bit out of place. However, as I started exploring the area and interacting with the locals, I began to feel more at ease. I ended up having an incredible time during my stay in the village. I went on beautiful hikes, tasted delicious local cuisine, and made some unforgettable memories with the people I met. It was truly eye-opening to immerse myself in a different culture and way of life. Looking back on the experience, I'm so glad that I took the risk to travel to that remote village. It taught me that sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone can be the most rewarding experience. Despite my initial fears, everything turned out better than I could have imagined, and it left me feeling grateful and inspired to continue exploring new places in the future. So, all in all, this is the time when I chose to go on a trip that I thought would be bad, but it turned out to be great. Follow-up questions. 1. How should parents teach their children what a risk is? I assert that parents can teach their children about risks by explaining what it means to try something that might have a bad outcome. Also, they can use simple examples, like crossing the road without looking both ways. By talking to their kids about why some things are risky and how to make safer choices, parents help them understand and navigate risks in everyday life. 2. What risks should parents tell their children to avoid? Parents should teach their children to avoid risks that could cause serious harm or danger, like playing with fire or talking to strangers online. Parents need to explain the potential consequences of these risks and help their children develop good judgment and decision-making skills to keep themselves safe. 3. Why do some people like watching risk-taking movies? Some people enjoy watching risk-taking movies because they find them thrilling and exciting. These movies often feature daring stunts, intense action scenes, and suspenseful plotlines that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. For some, watching others take risks vicariously through movies provides an adrenaline rush and a sense of excitement. 4. What kind of sports are dangerous but exciting? Many sports are considered dangerous but exciting, such as skydiving, rock climbing, and whitewater rafting. These sports involve a high level of physical risk and require skill, focus, and sometimes courage to participate in. Despite the potential dangers, lots of people like them because they give a big thrill and make them feel proud of what they've done. 5. Why do some people enjoy extreme sports? Lots of folks like extreme sports because they give a big kick of excitement and can become exciting. Doing extreme sports pushes people to try new things and makes them work hard, both in their bodies and minds. For some, the best part is beating their fears and trying to do things they never thought they could. 6. Are action films popular in your country? Yes, action films are quite popular in my country. They are often blockbuster hits that attract large audiences, especially among younger viewers. Action films typically feature thrilling sequences, intense fight scenes, and jaw-dropping stunts that captivate audiences and provide an exciting cinematic experience. 7. Do you think it is good if a leader takes risks? It's okay for a leader to take risks sometimes, but it depends on what's going on and what could happen. Sometimes, taking a chance can help bring new ideas, make things better, and help things grow, but leaders have to think about what might go wrong too and have a plan to deal with it. Good leaders think about the good things and the bad things before they decide what to do. 8. Do you think men and women will make different choices about risk-taking? Men and women might choose to take risks differently because of things like how they were brought up, what society expects from them, and what they like. Some studies say that men might be more likely to take risks sometimes, but it's not the same for everyone. Each person is different, and they might like taking risks or not, no matter if they're a man or a woman. 9. What about the young and old? People of different ages might see risks in different ways because of what they've been through, what they need to do, and what's important to them. Younger people might be more okay with taking risks because they're trying out new things, while older people might be more careful because they've learned a lot and have important things to take care of. But how much risk someone is willing to take doesn't just depend on their age. It also depends on what kind of person they are. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.